What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. It is time again for phrasal verb of the week. Yes, and today our phrasal verb is maybe not that common and we don't use it that often, but I do use it in the title of my YouTube channel, Jack Up Your English. And of course the phrasal verb today is jack up. And it's got 5 different meanings that I'm going to share with you, and it's also 5 different ways that you can better express yourself. So let's go check it out. To physically raise something, to lift something upward, especially using a jack. Let's go look at the example. I'm sure you've experienced this before. He jacked up the car to change the broken wheel. So that tool we use to raise the car up, we call it a jack. So you jack up the car to change the wheel. I think that one's quite common. Let's go look at the second meaning. To increase prices or costs, to make something more expensive or higher than before. Yeah, another common one that we can use. Let's go look at the example. The shop jacked up their prices before the holiday season. Oh man, we always see this happening over the festive season. The people jack up the prices to make more money. Let's move on to meaning number 3. To increase power or intensity, to make something stronger, louder, faster, or more intense. So to understand this one a little better, let's go look at the example. The mechanic jacked up the car to go faster. So that's a very nice one that we can use the phrasal verb jack up to make something bigger or faster or better. Let's go move on to number 4. To improve or better something, to make something better or improve it, especially quickly or noticeably. And this one is related to the title of my YouTube channel. I need to jack up my English before going to London. So yes, I need to better or improve my English before I go to London. Let's go look at the final meaning of the phrasal verb jack up. To be very strong or muscular, when someone has put on a lot of muscle and looks powerful. So this one is more of an informal or slang way of using jack up. Let's go see an example. After 6 months in the gym, Johnny looks jacked up. So if you see someone that became very muscular or strong, you can say they look jacked up. So that wraps it up for another video on phrasal verbs. And if you like this content, please like and subscribe to my channel. That would be great. But remember these 5 different meanings of jack up and make use of it in your daily conversations to better express yourself. Well, as always, thank you everyone for watching, for liking, for subscribing. I'll see you all again in the next video. Bye bye.